Hello friends, today I am going to talk about the most famous and one of my favorite constants in mathematics or in any other field, which is pi. I found its symbols so beautiful. It is approximately equal to 3.1415926535897932384626433833 and so on. We have seen pi in the circumference of circle, which is equal to 2 pi r, in the area of circle, which is equal to pi r square, and in other so many things. Even pi is used to get the mass of an electron, which is equal to although it is not much but with the help of pi we can get the mass of electron. Now I am going to relate pi with other aspects of the nature, as here I am talking only about natural mathematics, where we can find mathematics in nature. For example, I have any river like this. This is the starting point A and this is the ending point B of the river. So obviously this is the length of the river. This distance from A to B is length, and F, I mark a dotted line between point A and B and I denote it as D. This is the length of the river and D is the distance. Then sinuosity of the river is equal to L by D. Now according to our result, the sinuosity, the average sinuosity of any river in this world is equal to pi. In this way we can find many other aspects where we use pi and also can relate it to nature. So if you like the video, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon and like and comment and share too.